Congratulations! You have purchased your new submersible well pump from Tuhorse.us. Now, it's time for assembly. For the assembly, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a 1/2-inch wrench. Opening the box, you'll see there are 3 packages: the control box, the pump end, and the motor. For this assembly, we will be using a 1 horsepower water pump, but the process is the same for all models. First, from the motor, take out the 4 nuts and 4 washers. Next, press the ground wire into the tunnel. This is a very important step as it prevents the pump end from squishing onto the ground wire. If this is not done correctly, the installation of the pump will be crooked and the shaft will be damaged over time. Now, remove the cable guard by removing these 4 screws securing it. Next, remove the suction port screen by removing these 2 screws. Now we are ready to put the pump end on top of the motor. Again, make sure that the ground wire is positioned into the tunnel. Some motors come with a plastic cap on top of the shaft for protection during transportation. You must remove it before putting the pump end on top of the motor. In this case, we don't have one, so we are good to go. Make sure the pump end sits flush on top of the motor. Now, put 1 washer on top of each bolt and screw the nut in by hand. Finally, secure the nut by using the 1/2-inch wrench and cross-tighten. Now, secure the cable guard on top of the wire. The last step is to reinstall the suction port screen. You may use an additional screwdriver to help you hold the screen in place. Now, your pump is ready for installation. Before dropping your pump into the well, we recommend that you test the pump after you have spliced your extension drop wire and have connected it to the control box. You must test your pump in water and do not dry run your pump. Thanks for watching.